In the new economy, there are only two types of people: those who use AI and those who will be replaced by them. It sounds harsh, but it's the truth, because today our most valuable currency isn't money, it's time. And whether we like it or not, learning to use AI is the key to being more productive. It's how we save our precious hours for the things that a machine can't do: our creativity, our strategy, our humanity. But here's the problem. Adapting costs money. The best AI tools have expensive monthly subscriptions. How are you supposed to compete when the barrier to entry is hundreds of dollars a month? Today, we break that barrier. I've spent hundreds of hours researching and testing to build the ultimate AI survival kit. I'm not just going to show you one tool. I'm going to show you how to assemble an entire team of AI experts for your business, completely for free.
If you are serious about learning AI, if you want to future-proof your career so you are never replaced by a machine, if you want to scale your business, or if you are simply curious about the best AI tools on the planet, then I have a huge announcement to make. We've been talking about it for weeks, and today, it's finally here. The official Malva AI Discord server is now open. This is going to be our central hub. It's where we'll share all the resources, links, and the secret PDFs for everyone who watches the videos to the end, hits the like button, subscribes, and leaves a positive comment. It's the place where you can ask questions and get real answers. This is the community where we will master artificial intelligence together. I truly believe that with the information we will share in there, you will be among the most advanced people in the world of AI. And entry is completely free. But this is just the beginning. I want to give you a preview of what's coming. Right now, the server is in its foundational stage, but soon we'll be activating a unique rank system. The way you'll rank up is simple: by proving you're a dedicated member of this community. For each video, you'll share a single screenshot in the Discord that clearly shows 4 things: that the video's progress bar is watched all the way to the end, that you've hit the like button, that you're subscribed, and your own positive comment. And a word of warning, our bot is smart. It will be able to detect if you've simply dragged the progress bar to the end without actually watching the video. If you're caught submitting fake screenshots, you will lose your rank and your access to all the premium content. Because that's the key. You will never have to pay a single cent for the premium sections in our Discord. Access is earned simply by supporting the channel and being an active part of our community. And of course, the earliest members will be rewarded the most, so don't miss your chance to get in now.
And speaking of going deeper, I've heard you. I've received so many messages from you guys asking for specialized training, a full course with practical exercises and exact step-by-step guides on how to build these incredible AI workflows, going far beyond what's possible in a YouTube video. I'm excited to announce that we are officially working on it. We're building a masterclass for everyone who is interested. The best way to know when it's available is, you guessed it, by being in the Discord. We'll announce everything there first, in addition to the videos here on the channel. So my recommendation is simple: join the Discord. The link to get in is waiting for you in the description. Stay tuned to the latest videos and start authentically collecting your screenshots. The next level of AI mastery is coming, and I want you to be a part of it. All right, let's build your unfair advantage, department by department. First, every business needs a brain. It's time to hire your AI C-suite, your strategist, and your researcher. The biggest challenge is making smart decisions based on your own private data. But you can't just paste confidential reports into a public AI. This is where you use a professional workflow. We'll start with Google's Notebook LM. Think of it like creating a personalized AI that has read every book in your company's library. You can feed it your private documents, market analysis, customer feedback surveys, project plans, and have a conversation with your own data, asking it to find connections and insights a human might miss, all with complete privacy.
But insight is one thing, strategy is another. For that, we'll use LM Studio. This incredible tool lets you download and run powerful open-source language models locally on your own computer. This means 100% privacy and no internet required. So we take the key insights our private analyst found in Notebook LM and we feed them to our local strategist in LM Studio. We can then ask it to generate a detailed, multi-phase business strategy, knowing that our confidential data never leaves our machine. This is how you build a powerful, secure AI leadership team for free. Okay, you have your internal plan, but what's happening in the market right now? A report from last month is already ancient history. You need a real-time market analyst. This is where the free version of Gemini becomes a powerhouse because of its direct integration with the Google ecosystem. It's your live feed to the world's brain. You can give it the URL of your biggest competitor's website and ask it to act as a world-class marketing consultant. Ask it, analyze this landing page. What is their main value proposition? Who are they targeting? And what are the 3 weakest points in their messaging? It will give you an expert-level breakdown in seconds. You can even use its multimodal capabilities. Take a screenshot of a competitor's social media ad, upload it, and ask Gemini, analyze the visual strategy of this ad. What emotions are they trying to evoke with these colors and images? This is next-level market research that used to cost a fortune.
Now you have a strategy and you understand the market. You need to get the word out at scale. It's time to hire your automated content factory. The pressure to be on every platform all the time is immense. This is how you automate it. First, your audio. Using the free tier of 11 Labs, you can generate incredibly high-quality voiceovers for your scripts or ads, and even create custom sound effects.
Zenith Coffee, brewed for creators by creators.
Then, once you have your content, let's say a long video, you feed it to Opus Pro. Its AI doesn't just cut the video randomly. It analyzes the transcript for hooks and emotional peaks to find the moments most likely to go viral, automatically turning one long video into a dozen short clips.
What if I told you there's a secret place online where you can use GPT?
But you need even more visuals. That's where Qwen comes in. It's a completely free and unlimited text-to-video generator. It's your unlimited B-roll machine, perfect for creating endless atmospheric clips to make your talking head videos or podcasts visually interesting, without ever paying for stock footage. Of course, your content needs to look professional. You need a brand. It's time to hire your in-house creative agency. First, with Canva's AI tools, you can generate a complete brand kit, logo, color palette, and a set of social media templates in about 2 minutes, ensuring everything looks consistent. But for unique visuals that nobody else has, you use the daily free credits on Leonardo AI. Canva is for your day-to-day design. Leonardo is for the stunning, scroll-stopping hero images that define your brand. You can use it to generate ultra-realistic product mockups, or create a unique artistic style for your entire social media presence. With all this running, you're still drowning in the day-to-day work. You need a communications director. This is a perfect job for the free version of ChatGPT. Its strength is in its nuanced understanding of language. Don't just ask it to write an email. Give it a chain of commands to refine the output. First, here's a long, angry customer complaint. Identify the 3 core issues. Next, okay, now draft a polite and empathetic reply that acknowledges their frustration and offers solution X.
And finally, perfect. Now make that 50% shorter and more casual. You can even feed it a technical document and ask it to generate a 10-point FAQ for customers based on this information. This workflow turns the AI into a true assistant that does the heavy lifting for you. And for one final trick, what if you need a custom tool for your business? Instead of paying for more software, let's hire an in-house developer. Using a free platform like Glide, we can create powerful apps from a simple Google Sheet. It's as simple as setting up your data in a sheet,
connecting it to Glide, and it instantly builds a clean, functional interface around it. In under 5 minutes, you can build a custom internal tool for your team to track project hours, a simple app to capture customer feedback, or even an inventory tracker for a small store. No code required. And there you have it. You've just hired a strategist, a research analyst, a full creative studio, a content factory, a communications director, and a software developer. You now have an elite AI team, and it hasn't cost you a cent. This isn't about replacing you. It's about giving you leverage. It's about automating the 80% of work that drains your energy, so you can focus on the 20% that truly matters: your ideas, your strategy, your human connection. The game has changed, but now you have the new rulebook. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments which AI department you're going to implement first. And don't forget, the bot is active for your Discord access and the secret PDF. Thanks for watching.